Drum rolls please. Hi there everyone. आज का वीडियो है ना आपने मांगा हुआ ना मैंने सोचा हुआ। ये वीडियो का सारा श्रेय जाता है मेरी दोस्त स्लैश मैनेजर को, क्योंकि उसने मुझे बोला कि भाई रीना सुन, मेकअप वीडियोस का मार्केट थोड़ा डाउन है, उसमें से तेरे वीडियोस चल नहीं रहे हैं, सो इट्स अबाउट टाइम यू ट्राई समथिंग डिफरेंट। आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट वी आर कॉलिंग दिस वीडियो वेरी ऑनेस्टली, बट बिकॉज मुझे स्ट्रिक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे कुछ नया करो, कुछ हटके करो, तो मैंने सोचा यार नया और हटके क्या हो सकता है इफ नॉट अ फूड वीडियो। नाउ आई नो फूड वीडियोज इज समथिंग दैट इज ट्रेंडिंग 24/7 ऑन द इंटरनेट, तो अगर ये वीडियो नहीं चलता है सो इट्स नॉट मी गाइज, इट्स यू, इट्स डेफिनेटली you not treating me right. But yeah, with that being said, today is a beautiful Saturday and I was feeling hungry and just happened to stumble upon Swiggy. And this happened. Yes, we have a lot of snacks, a lot of snacks to try today, and all of these are super affordable. They're all under ₹100. We have the Lay's Gourmet. These are the vintage cheese and paprika variant. I've never tried any of these guys, so I am super excited. Then we also have BRB potatoes. These are popped chips, not baked, not fried. I don't know what then they are but this is supposed to be spicy chipotle flavor. Now I personally love chipotle, that's one of my favorite sauces, so we have that. Then in dessert we have this baby right here. This was so interesting, like this is what I think started this video in the first place. Better Bake lemon and blueberry cake, like what? So that's what we have. And while I saw that lemon cake, I was like, अगर lemon cake खाना है तो कुछ तीखा तो बनता है। तो I know everybody has done the ramen spicy noodles challenge, जो honestly मुझे कितनी बार करना है मेरे दोस्तों के साथ, but कोई मान नहीं रहा। One time I did it with my friend, record ही नहीं हुआ because हम इतना व्यस्त थे हमारी चर्चाओं में कि कैमरा किसी ने चालू ही नहीं किया। But anyways, with that being said, today I have Indian version of spicy ramen. We have not one but two brands. Now एक brand तो भाई I am very familiar with, we all are. This is the Maggi barbecue Korean veg noodles. And then we also have this brand new brand जो मैंने जिसका कुछ भी कभी भी try नहीं किया है, is from Nissin. This is what it looks like. This is their hot and spicy Korean veg flavor. So we have two noodles to try. Which one do we try? Oh wait a minute, I am a 25-year-old adult. Nobody tells me what to do. So guess what? We are making both of these. I'm so excited. So without any further ado, if you want to see me try some fun food items, then please keep on watching. Let's go. And you guys, welcome to my kitchen. आज मैं first time I think कैमरा के सामने cooking करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to start off with the Nissan Maggi noodles, and ये पैकेट में मुझे ये नूडल्स मिला है. एट द सेम टाइम मुझे ना कि एक बट दो पैकेट्स मिले हैं, तो एक सीजनिंग ऑयल है एंड दूसरा ये मसाला है. इट वाज रिलेटिवली वेरी इजी टू कुक एक्चुअली. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड मेक सम मैगी. I had a little struggle to open it, but finally, yes. Yeah, I'm not used to cooking, so those expressions are not for camera. Yes, it's true, those are my real expressions while real cooking. And इसके साथ भी मुझे दो पैकेट्स मिले हैं. As you can see, काफ़ी interesting and काफ़ी तीखा लग रहा है. I am super excited for the Nissan one as well as for the Maggi one. First impressions, थोड़ी makeup review है, but like I'm so used to that. मैगी वाला जो है वो काफ़ी लाल है, and whereas the Nissan one looks like normal Maggi. Now in terms of my spice tolerance, if I may, I think it's good. I think it's really good and I can handle it. And also yeah, दोनों के साथ ये seasoning oil आया है. So this is how the Nissan one looks like, and that is how Maggi is looking like. And this is me pouring some oil on Nissan. Anyways, let's now mix Maggi का तेल. My first impression as an amateur food blogger attempter, if I may, मुझे मैगी ना काफ़ी टेम्पटिंग लग रही है. एक तो उसका तेल भी जो था, जो मैंने वॉलंटरीली ऊपर से डाला है, I mean as someone who's used to dieting, that felt like a crime. So yeah, this looks very tempting. तेल डालने के बाद जो निसान वालों ने दिया था, अब उसको भी सेम मैगी वाला कलर आ रहा है. Okay, I think I spoke too soon. Smell तो अच्छा आ रहा है. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, it's nice. It's spicy, but not in like a, oh my god, like it has no flavors. It has really nice flavor. Now, to be honest, जो noodles का texture है किसान का, that's my favorite. Let's do the Maggi one. Okay, let's do this. It's very nice. This has a barbecue taste to it. I'm gonna go ahead with another one. It's not spicy. Like, I feel the Kisan one was definitely spicy. This is like more flavored and spicy. Wow, I really like this. It's very tasty. I think I like the Maggi one. I definitely like the Maggi. Kisan का noodles अच्छा है. उसका spice जो है वो थोड़ा higher है. But Maggi, it is spicy and flavored. Wow. Let me know your favorites, guys. Now it's time to move to something snacky because I love me good snacks. Of course, there are so many healthy snacking options. By the way, I did a fun healthy snacks video. If you are interested, I will leave a link in the description and up on the screen. But now that we're talking all things yummy, let's do this. Oh, क्या बात है? I read my favorite thing. I don't know if you can see, this says it's 60% less fat and gluten free. Wow, kya baat hai. So these are the BRB potato popped chips and let's open this. Ooh, smells very tasty. I don't know if that makes sense, but I want to sound like a food blogger, okay? So if I say things that don't make sense, just go along with me on that, okay? This is how the chips ka inside is looking. Okay, smells spicy. This is what we are dealing with. It definitely has that smoke taste to it. It says hot and spicy. I don't think so, it's hot enough. I said what I said, but it's very light in texture, it's very thin, it's not feeling like a regular chip, if I may. So, now does it taste like Chipotle? Since I read it's supposed to be spicy Chipotle, I don't think it has a Chipotle taste. It's definitely smoky, but not Chipotle type. Like, not Chipotle, but interesting. I like this. ये मिर्ची के फोटो यहाँ पे डाल के रखे. It made me think it's gonna be, oh my god, like super spicy. Not spicy at all. If I was to rate, oh, you know what? Let's do some rating. I mean, let's start with rating this. This is it's a good snack, but for what it showed and what it is, it's like a 4 on 10 for me. However, when it comes to my beloved Maggi, I'm gonna give this like a solid 8 on 10 simply because the noodle texture is not my favorite. It's too thick for my liking, but the flavor, the taste, everything is just too good. And for the Kisan one, it's a solid 7 on 10. I mean, I said what I said. Let's see if Lay's can take us to 10 on 10. This is the Lay's Gourmet. It's their vintage cheese and paprika flavor, and it's slow cooked with exotically crafted kettle chips. It's basically potato chips, but like a gourmet variant. I mean, first of all, the packaging feels and looks so luxe कि मैं दे दूंगी इनको. Like जो भी इसका 50-60 रुपए, 50 रुपया दे दूंगी. मैं ले लो. Like इतना elite looking vibe दे रहा है तो मुझे. तो not just cooked, it's crafted. I like how they're trying to sell a potato chip. Whew, I'm excited for this. I'm excited for everything that I got because I freaking paid for all of these things. So yeah. Of course, Lay's है तो ऊपर तक तो सिर्फ हवा थी. Actual item is literally half of it, guys. Like इतने में तो चालू हो रहा है. Of course, classic Lay's chips look good. Is that what food bloggers say? I don't know. Okay. It is so bad. कहीं से भी दूर दूर तक तो पेपर का है नहीं, चीज भी नहीं है, ये बस ना मतलब ना रेगुलर पोटैटो चिप्स. It's literally that. It's literally regular potato chips with like sprinkle, like like mild sprinkle of maybe cheese powder. Mild. I want my 50 rupees back. What is this? No, not wasting my calories on that because literally potato chips hai. This is like a -10. Forget about 10. I mean, yeah, in some ways it did take us to 10, but not the +10. Instead -10. So that's a reminder, guys. Be very careful about what you manifest. Be very specific rather of what you manifest, because this was a 10, but for all the wrong reasons. Okay, now the thing that I'm really again very excited about is this cake. Like, I've never had anything that is like a lemon cake, like never. I just says it's made with like real food and cow ghee, honey, atta, like, you know, wheat flour. So I'm assuming this is healthy. अश्वगंधा and ब्राह्मी, ये सब भी है इसमें. क्या मंगाया है मैंने? कोलेस्ट्रॉल फ्री, ट्रांस फैट फ्री, हाई फाइबर. Oh my god. 19 grams protein and no refined sugar. Enriched with clinically proven ingredients. भाई इसके claims तो बहुत डरावने हैं. अब तो इसको खोल के खाना पड़ेगा. Oh, how cute is this? How cute. Oh god, so cute. I wanna have the blueberry, so I'm gonna like pop that from between. Let's have the cake now, shall we? Cheers, guys. Cheers. This has a straight up lemon zest taste to it, and it's sweet, but I hate when sweet is too sweet, like, you know, borderline sweet. It's just that. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the lemon cake vibe, I've never had lemon cake in my entire life. I don't know if that's a normal thing or not, but I really like this. I really like this. And I can't find blueberry anywhere in between. So I think the only blueberries we had were the 3 that were on top. But wow, and this cake is so spongy. It's so like ghar pe bana hua. Like, you know, it's not very dry. I cannot stop eating this. Oh my god. I think we have a winner, guys. I think straight up we have a winner. मैंने पूरे ingredients इसके list पढ़े नहीं है, but जो भी इसने claim किया है, जो भी इसका texture है, taste है, I think we have our new 10. Wow. You know what, I am reading the ingredients. It starts off very strong, and this is made with good ingredients. This is made with really good ingredients. Oh my god, awesome, guys. Like this awesome Better Bakes lemon blueberry cake. Oh my god, that's like a mouthful of a name. It's the best. It's the best thing that I've discovered amongst of course my Maggie. And yeah, I think that's a wrap for today's video, you guys. I really hope आपको ये interesting, कुछ नया, कुछ हटके पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया है तो please, this is your moment to subscribe. Like, मुझे कुछ सुनना नहीं है. This is your moment to subscribe and hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time this cute face is online on the internet. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you very soon with such fun content. Let me know आपको और कैसे fun videos देखने हैं. Do you want me to try more different types of food, or do you want me to stick to my usual business, that is beauty, fun and skincare? So yes, that's a wrap. I will see you soon. Bye.